Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a mukbang for you guys, and I'm going to be eating some Khao Poon and some egg rolls. I just made these today. These are all homemade, and I'm so hungry. It literally took me all day because I was filming at the same time. So if the video is not up yet, it will be up after this video. Otherwise, you will be watching this video after the recipes for these two. So let's go ahead and get started because I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Can I just show you guys? Can you see? This just, it looks amazing. Woo. Oh my gosh. This, oh. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this right now. I mean, you see how I'm sitting, right? The reason why I'm sitting this way is so I can get you guys a close-up of the food. But this is kind of difficult. I did not think this through. Let's go ahead and taste the broth. Perfect. You know what though? I'm gonna need to cover this up because this has a lot of oil and I do not want it to get on my shirt. It will leave a stain that I do not want. So excuse me real quick. Alright, let's do this. Okay, let's take the first bite. Oh my goodness, can you guys see this? Oh. Amazing. Oh, so good. Let's try an egg roll. I have my dipping sauce here, which is my all-time hot pepper sauce. Then I do have a little bit of the regular sweet, what is it called? Sweet and sour sauce, spring roll sauce, egg roll sauce. I don't know. I'm not too big of a fan. It's really sweet. Okay, you know what, you guys? I think I'm gonna transfer bowls because I cannot eat properly with this. So, 1 second. Okay, and we're back. Sorry about that, you guys. I did not think this through. This doesn't look as good as the bowl, but whatever. I'm gonna eat better. This is like perfect amount. Oh, okay, much better. You guys, this is so good. Oh my god. Let's have another egg roll. Mm. Meatball. So you guys, go and check out my recipe for this if you want to learn how to make this Khao Poon dish. It is my favorite Asian dish ever. Oh, excuse me. Second would be Phao, which is the steamed rice rolls. I already have a recipe for that, so go and check that one out. I'm gonna have a recipe for the egg rolls too. So yeah, I'm gonna have a recipe for these two. Go and check it out if you want to learn how to make it. It is so good. Oh, so messy. Let's finish this egg roll. These egg rolls are already so filling by itself. Go check out my recipes. You'll get to see what's in these. Last bite of the egg roll. This is pretty much done too. No more noodles. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me eat some yummy Khao Poon and egg rolls. If you are interested in learning how to make either of these dishes, go ahead and check out the videos on my YouTube channel. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. All you gotta do is click the subscribe button and also click that notification button afterwards. It'll let you know every time I have a new video, which is right after you click the subscribe button. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!